Have you ever wondered how your smartphone recognizes your face or how Netflix seems to know exactly what you will want to watch next? Today we are going to demystify the technology behind these innovations, neural networks. But instead of jumping into complex math, let's start with something we all understand. How we choose our favorite restaurant. Imagine how you choose where to eat. You consider multiple factors: the cuisine type, the price range, the distance from your location, reviews from friends, your current mood. Your brain processes all these inputs and makes a decision. This is exactly what neural networks do. They take multiple pieces of information and make decisions based on them. Let's build our first neural network together. But instead of restaurants, let's use something even simpler: an ice cream sales predictor. Our ice cream stand wants to predict how many ice creams it will sell today. What affects ice cream sales? Temperature in Celsius? Is it weekend? Yes or no? Is there an event nearby? Yes or no? Boolean. Just like our brain processes these factors differently, our neural network has different neurons that analyzes this data. Some neurons might focus on weather suitability, combining temperature with historic sales, customer availability, combined weekend status with event information, overall buying probability. Think of it like a committee making decisions. The first layer collects information, the middle layer discusses and processes it, and the final layer makes the prediction. Each neuron in our network is like a committee member with a specific role. In our ice cream example, first layer collects raw data, temperature, day type, events. Middle layer processes combinations, weather suitability, customer availability. Final layer predicts number of ice creams to prepare. Here where it gets interesting. How does the network learn? Just like a new ice cream vendor learns from experiences, our network learns from data. Every time we show it past data, example, input, temperature was 28 degree, Saturday, no event. Actual sales 250 ice creams. Network adjusts its thinking to make better predictions next time. Now that you understand the basics, let's see where neural networks are already part of our life. Face filters on social media, voice assistant understanding commands, traffic predictions in Google Maps, photo enhancement in our smartphones. In our next video, we will learn more about neural network with a different problem statement of exam score prediction. Remember, neural networks aren't magic. They are just really good at finding patterns, just like our brains. Whether it's choosing restaurant or predicting ice cream sales, the principle remains the same. Take information, process it through layers, and make informed decisions. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for the next part, where we will learn more about neural network.